How to use save audios in Instagram posts. Hello everyone, let's get right into the tutorial. Open your Instagram application on your device. On the bottom of your screen, you will see various options. Tap on the fourth option, that is the Reels option. Now select the audio of your choice and tap on the audio. You will find the audio option on the bottom right. In the interface that appears next, now tap on the save button on the top right of your screen, and with this your audio will be saved. If you want, you can tap on the use audio button here itself and use the save audio. Or if you are wondering where these audios are saved, then go to your profile and tap on the three lines there. You will see the option for saved. Tap on that and here you will see all the audios you have saved in Instagram. Tap on the audio and then tap on use audio. You will now be able to use that particular audio. You can either take video from Instagram itself and use the audio, or tap on the picture icon and use the audio. Once your video is ready, tap on next and then on share button. With this, your post with the audio will be posted. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.